Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to day 19 of 21 days to good hair. Well, summers are here. Delhi is actually frying at 45 degrees, and we all tend to take care of our skin, but we forget to take care of our poor hair. The sun kind of burns our hair out. The sweat, the mud makes our hair more frizzy, dandruff, split ends, hair fall. I mean, it's as worse a time for our skin than it is for our hair. So today's ingredient is something which is full of minerals and antioxidant, and it will help us restore the shine, the bounce, and the brittleness that we feel in our hair. The will go away. Well, today's ingredient is urad dal, yes, the black lentil. So we will be making a quick pack today with urad dal. We'll be using the one without the chilka, so it actually is white in color. So yeah, let's get started. So this is how your urad dal looks like. We'll take 4 to 5 spoons of urad dal and also 2 spoons of mustard and 3 spoons of curd. Mix it together to make a thick pack. The next day after the hair wash. The only issue with the pack that I felt was that it gets a little cumbersome to take all that grainy pack off, but just make sure that you rinse it well, and yeah, my hair feels quite soft and smooth. So yeah, that was day 19. I'll see you on day 20. Bye guys.